position. And I will release my air valve by pushing it in. Now I will check for air loss. I will press and hold the surface brake for 1 minute. Maximum loss 3 psi per minute. Can you please time me?
Okay. And go.
All right. On the exam, it won't be a minute. It'll be like 10-20 seconds. Then the examiner tells you, okay, that's a minute. You release it. Okay. Maximum loss 3 psi per minute.
Okay.
Now I will check my lower warning signal. I will keep pumping the surface brake to about 55 psi. When the warning signal comes on, I should see it and hear it. So let's say I keep pumping. It's turned on, but I'm at like 65 psi and it turned off. If that happens on the exam, they fail you. So really make sure you pump it in between 50 and 55 psi. Alright, the lower warning signal is working. And now I'll check my emergency valve. I will pump the surface brakes to about 40 psi when my emergency valves pop out. And at this point, I'm not allowed to touch them at all, the valve. Even if I touch it like this, they will fail me. Alright, it popped out, and I'm not allowed to check it physically. Just look at it, okay. Emergency valve is working. Now I will turn off the key. And please give me 1 minute to remember if I forgot anything. And I can go over my safety belt, my emergency equipment, I got all of it. I did my safe start, I made sure the air valve is out. Key on position, neutral started the engine. I checked my gauges, my light indicators, my city horn, my highway horn. I checked my heater and defroster. No missing parts. Blown on a windshield. I checked my windshield, clean, no illegal stickers, my rubber seal. I checked my wipers, I checked my mirrors. I checked my parking brakes, my service brakes. Steering wheel did not pull left or right, the ABS light is off. And then I prepared for my air brakes. I needed 120 psi minimum, 120 to 140 when the governor goes off. I have minimum 120 psi, I did that. I turned off the engine, on position, and released my valve. Then I checked my air loss, maximum loss 3 psi a minute. I checked my warning signal about 55 psi, pumping the brake. And I checked my emergency valve to about 40 psi. I didn't touch it. Okay, I think I'm done. Thank you.